Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to access website files using FileZilla. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see host, username, password, and then you see port. So you will find FTP access in your cPanel and then you can use your FTP access here. So we are going to access website files. Now we are going to add host. Now paste. So this is our domain name and then we are going to add username. Now add username and then we are going to add password. Now paste password. Now you see port and then you see field hour on it and then you see enter the port on which the server listen. The default FTP is 21 and the default SFTP is 22. So we are using FTP. Now add 21 and then you see quick connect. So click on it. Now you see retrieving directory listing. So this is our website files. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.